welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be doing a little bit of a challenge where we're going to be taking some old seats and we're going to be seeing how much it costs to clean them up compared to just basically buying new ones for the car, or old new ones I should say. So we'll take a look at the seats over here. If you want to just take a look, you'll see. All right, they've been sitting in my shed for at least the last 2 years or so, and you can see they are pretty nasty indeed. Basically what we're going to do, I got to go to the car wash, clean up the car. So while I'm there, I'm just going to spray these down, and that'll be the first step. So let's get into it. Alright, we're at the car wash. I got a giant bag of quarters. So we're going to start feeding these into the machine and get enough to start a car wash here. It's going to take forever. Yeah. Alright, since this is going to take forever, we'll pause the video here and then we'll get back after this. Got the sponge here, that looks like a gas. Over to this one, check this out. This is the nastiest one there. That was right in my foot. That was right. That was going to take a lot to get stuff out. I got to change the settings real quick. Go. Alright, let's do high person self. I like that. Look at this gas. It's pulling that water. Alright, now I'm going to try to put the back one away here. Oh, yeah. There it is. Alright, now after all pressure washing, I'm going to see what this fancy turbo dryer is.
Oh. Oh my goodness. Want me to put in more quarters? Okay.
All right. So that's loud, or whatever. Seats are decently cleaned up. Keep this going here. They're far from perfect. This one's still nasty, but they're definitely better. I'll bring them over there to the vacuum soon, and or in a second, I should say, and get them sucked and dry. All right, pre-vacuum time. Let's suck some water out of it. I think it's covered in badger fur.
Yep.
Now we got some Magic Lysol all-purpose cleaner. Yes, this is a drill brush. I don't have a cordless drill right now, it's perfect, so forget about that. All right, that's exhausting. All right, now that these are sprayed and sucked dry,
brother,
we can go home and extract them now because they're not perfectly clean, but they're definitely a lot better than they were before. So we'll head home and use an extractor on them. Gonna clean up a little bit more. All right, as you can see, we're back at my house now. It's been a couple days since the car wash, and the seats have been sitting out here. They're pretty much dry. I did pull out my extractor to go and do that, and it was broken. So that's not going to happen. So what I'm going to do is, since I let them sit here and dry a little bit, they're pretty good. I got basically all the dirt I could and nastiness out of them when I power washed and vacuumed at the car wash. I have this foaming citrus spray, see there, from Chemical Guys. It doesn't really foam that much, but I did dilute it with some hot water, and I'm going to spray it down. I'm not going to scrub it, and then I'm just going to basically kind of spray it down. I might scrub it a little bit actually, and then use the shop vac over here to just kind of suck it up. That'll get it basically smelling nice because this stuff does smell real good. And then we should be good to install them in the vehicle. You know what? I am going to go get my drill. I'm going to put it on that. I'll be right back. That is a workout. Alright. I'm gonna vacuum these. You're not gonna see that. The vacuum is super loud and super annoying because it's broken. It works, it's just broken. So I'm not gonna record that. I'm gonna vacuum them up, see what they look like after that. We'll be right back. And these are the seats in all their glory. Look how freaking clean these came out. Heck yeah. Not bad at all. On the passenger side now, look at that. They look amazing. Now for my final thoughts on this project. All right, final thoughts on the cost of getting these cleaned up versus purchasing new old ones. I saved about $25 to $30 in total. So I spent around 20 bucks cleaning these up. New old ones would have cost me 50 to 60 bucks, and I probably would have had to clean those up anyways, considering they would have been at least 20, 21 years old at the newest. So all in all, I think I did great. The seats look amazing compared to what they used to. I'll put a picture up here. So you just saw what they look like. They look amazing now compared to that. They're clean, they don't smell, they have no mold or anything like that. So I think it was definitely worth saving even that little bit of money, because any savings is a good savings. So let me know what you think in the comments, and if I should do more videos like this in the future. And as always, like and subscribe, and let's freaking go, dude.